Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Position you and your partner seated comfortably with forearms supported, wrists touching. Open the alginate and measure water per kit directions. Warmer water speed set, but follow temperature limits. Mix vigorously for 30-45 seconds until lump-free. Pour immediately into the bowl to avoid premature set. Once mixed, explain calm breathing to your partner so hands stay relaxed. Then lower hands together into the alginate in one motion, steady, even, and parallel, so details capture both hands without bubbles. Once the alginate feels rubbery, instruct your partner to remain still and count down as you check edges. Prepare plaster by gradually adding powder to water to minimize clumps. Mix until creamy and ribbon-like. Pour into the deepest point of the mold so material moves outward, rather than trapping air on surfaces. Rotate the mold slightly while pouring to fill fingers and undercuts. Make sure to fill to the recommended height. Then cover and let the plaster cure undisturbed for the kit's specified time. When the plaster feels solid, usually 30-60 minutes, carefully peel the alginate away and ease hands out. Work one finger at a time to avoid cracking. Inspect the negative for defects, then let the positive sit until fully dry before finishing. Trim excess, sand edges, and apply sealant or paint as desired. If you see small air voids, fill with epoxy or modeling putty and sand smooth. If major voids ruin detail, consider recasting that section using a two-part repair technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.